Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today we're going to do another foundation first impression. This video is dedicated to Danica. She was the one who suggested I try this foundation. So Danica, this one's for you. I hope you enjoy. Now this is my first video covering heavy duty concealer creams. I've mostly been talking about drugstore foundations up until now, but I will start including these on my channel as well, because these are of course intended to be used to cover birthmarks like I have, as well as tattoos, scars, and lots of other skin anomalies. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching this video. The foundation I'm going to be trying today is DermaColor's Camouflage Creme. DermaColor is a high coverage makeup line produced by a company called Kryolan. The line was originally developed to help people with accidental or congenital disfigurements, but due to its versatility has gained followers in all areas of beauty and makeup. The staple of the line is the Camouflage Creme that I will be using today to cover my birthmark. To get the very best out of DermaColor, I recommend that you go to a store and get yourself professionally matched. Finding the right colour online can be really difficult, and as this is not a normal foundation, there are a couple of other things you need in order to get the perfect finish. As I live in the southern part of the UK, the easiest thing for me to do was to go into London and get myself professionally matched. While I was at the store, the makeup artist helped match me and also taught me how to use all the products to get the very best results. Another reason why I recommend that you go into a store rather than ordering directly online is because you may be a mixture of two different colours, which is exactly what happened to me. So I'm a mix of DermaColor D7 and DermaColor D62, and I'm supposed to use more of D62 and a bit of D7. While I got these two to match my overall complexion, I also got a few of these smaller ones to use on the birthmark specifically. Another important tip I got at the store is that if you plan on using DermaColor as an overall foundation, you need the makeup blender. A lot of people don't realize that they need the makeup blender when they buy the cream, and therefore have a hard time blending it out. It looks too thick on the skin, etc, etc. And then to finish off the perfect application, there is a finishing powder and a fixing spray. Now for the application, I was recommended to first clean my skin and apply SPF, and then allow it to settle for about 5 minutes. Then the next step is to mix the green concealer with a bit of the makeup blend and apply a wash of colour over the entire birthmark. A very important step, according to the makeup artist who taught me how to do this, is to powder in between each step. Next, I'll be using the smaller concealers again to cover the deeper parts of the birthmark. So I'll be blending red and a bit of the light and dark grey. So what this second layer accomplished was to hide the darker parts of the birthmark. Now we powder again. This third layer will be another layer of green, not as dense as the first one, but just to cover any deep reds that are still visible. Now I'll powder one more time before I move on to the foundation. Now for the two sides of my face to match as closely as possible, I will be mixing these two colours together, but in different proportions for each side. So I'm going to start with the birthmark, and then I'm going to try to match it as closely as possible on this side.
Now this step takes a bit of practice to get right. As you can probably tell by the jars, I've already practiced mixing my perfect shade a few times. Like with most camouflage creams, the formula is very thick, so it is worth it to spend some extra time getting it properly blended and warmed up before applying it to the skin. Also, a little goes a very long way.
Finally, it's time for the powder. And there we go, this is the level of cover that DermaColor can achieve on a birthmark. Usually I would end the video here, but this time I think I might actually go and put some contour on, put some blush on, and finish my makeup, and that way you can see the full effect of what this cream can actually achieve. And I'm back! What do you guys think? I really like it, I think it looks really good. I can't even see my birthmark. Amazing. Oh, let me just finish with the fixing spray. Nice. So that's my first impression. I'm really impressed. I am about to find out how it lasts throughout the day. Now unfortunately it is a bit more expensive than a regular drugstore foundation, and there is a learning curve involved, but if that doesn't bother you so much, then I think it's definitely worth checking out. I have listed every item I use down in the description below, as well as how much each of them costs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you very soon. Bye!